in 1995-96, at that time, CAI, they started. All over the country, there was not much response. Even 4 or 5 times, I promoted CAI Partnership Summit, then Hyderabad. I am remembering it even today, after bifurcation, we don't have any convention center here. That's why we are having temporary structure, but it is looking very beautiful. I am very happy for this. Same thing, in the beginning in Hyderabad, we had similar temporary structure. I remember even Sanjay Reddy from GVK is here. They had one hotel. They don't have this type of convention center. Then we had temporary structure in the premises we conducted. That is how we have grown. After that in Hyderabad, we have constructed one of the biggest convention center in India, nearly 7,000 members capacity, hotel and everything. Even today, that is the best convention center, not only in India, in Asia itself. That is how we have built that center. Friends, you are all aware, so many dignitaries, they have mentioned about Andhra Pradesh and also our leadership. Even we are having a strong leadership in the country. Even our Prime Minister is a very strong leader. There is a stability in government. If you see, first time in India, people voted non-Congress government, that to single party domination. That is the confidence people are having on Narendra Modi. And at the same time, we are all very inspiring time. Now if you see all over the world is growing at the rate of 2.5 or 3% average. But India is growing at the rate of 7.8 to 9%, 8%, 7.8 to 8%. If Honorable Finance Minister and Honorable Prime Minister will take some more decisions, I am confident throughout the world, only one country which is going to grow double digit, that is only India, no other country in the near future. Even Amitabh Kant has rightly mentioned, if country will grow 10%, we have to grow 14 to 15% minimum. That is how we are planning. We are having all advantages. Even Government of India is supporting us, and also all policies, we are very happy. GST has to come. We are confident in the near future, GST will come. Even in Andhra Pradesh, we have given excellent policies. Even ease of doing business. As on today, we are number 2 rated by World Bank. We wanted to be number 1 in the near future. Investors are having confidence. I am assuring you, any problem across the table will clear in a transparent manner. That is my commitment. That is how we are doing. Within 21 days, all clearances will be given to you. And at the same time, if you see all resources available in Andhra Pradesh, one is mineral wealth, another is water is available. When I took over as CM, we had a deficit of power nearly 22.5 million. Within a month time, we are able to overcome. Today, our state is power surplus. 24/7 quality power we can give for you. That is our commitment. In South India, this is only the state where abundant power and also power surplus, we are selling for other states also. That is the situation today. Even one of the best infrastructure and also long coastline, 974 kilometers. India is always talking about look east. East is the best way because all developed countries are located towards the east. Now, Andhra Pradesh central located, and at the same time we are having advantage draft is very high. This is the biggest advantage Andhra Pradesh is having. Now I am requesting Honorable Minister for Finance and also Honorable Minister for Industries, even Amitabh Kant, if you can go through China. China developed in a big way, first coastal development and also manufacturing also for exports. That is how they have done. Some pockets, some clusters they have developed, then it has gone to interland. Now same thing in India has to happen. I am requesting them to have a policy for manufacturing, that too not only domestic market, you can manufacture for exports. Don't take Andhra Pradesh alone. We are not that greedy. You can take Visakhapatnam to Chennai, Gujarat to Mumbai, 4 states will cover. You can have good policies and also you can simplify the procedures. Yesterday, our Amitabh Kant has rightly mentioned, all rules we have to abolish. Then only we can do ease of doing business. I am very happy for that. It's a bold statement. As a matter of fact, we are having so many unnecessary permissions. Not one or two. I have seen from Revenue Department, we are giving 63 clearances, 63 certificates from Revenue Department alone. All unnecessary certificates. We are simplifying. Amitabh Kantji, if you guide, we will simplify as many as possible. Even some of the outdated rules, regulations we will modify. That is only the way to go for development. And at the same time, this state is having everything possible. We are having excellent policies we have created. Policies are available. Only in the initial stage we are having some problem. There is only a breathing problem after bifurcation. As the Honorable Finance Minister is aware, we had a problem because we never planned that state has to face this type of bifurcation. Even there is no capital. 2 places we are operating, from Hyderabad, from Amaravati. But at the same time, by using technology effectively, we are able to overcome all these setbacks. With the Government of India, with their support, I am confident things will improve further. But at the same time, if you see in India, the state of Andhra Pradesh is having everything possible. One is sea coast, one is mineral wealth, one is water or resources, abundant land I can provide you, and also very good governance, simplification of procedures, everything is possible. Now with you, I am requesting, there is everything possibility. I am planning in the near, we are having a clear vision. By 2022, Andhra Pradesh will be one among 3 top states in the country. By 2029, Andhra Pradesh will be number 1 state in the country, not only in terms of economy and also happiness. 2050, we wanted to be best destination in the world itself. That is where we are working. So with all these things, I don't want to take much time. You are all here. Only request from Honorable Minister, we are in trouble. Everybody is having so much of confidence on us. Even every investor is having confidence on us. But to start with, if you give me helping hand, I am giving you confidence. India's growth will contribute. What you are expecting, double-digit growth, Andhra Pradesh will grow at the rate of 14-15%. We will be the trend setter, so that we will give a good competition. Even I am very happy nowadays, every state is conducting investors meet. Even Government of India is creating competition among all states. That is a very good decision. Even this is very good also. There is a positive and also Constructive competition is good for everybody. There is no complacency. Indian states are moving very fast, and also we are all sometimes feeling how to compete with each other. Even sometimes we are going with more incentives also. That is the competitive spirit we are having. So, in the initial stage, as I already mentioned, Honorable Minister, one is tax incentives, sir, we have to help us. Second, we are having problem, finance, you have to help us. Even we are having so many opportunities. There is Visakhapatnam and Chennai Industrial Corridor announced by Government of India. Even ADB is working with us. There is Bangalore-Chennai Industrial Corridor announced by Government of India. Even JICA is working with us. In these three nodes are coming. Land is available. Even all requirement, even infrastructure we can provide. Even Amaravati, one of the best cities, is coming. It will be one of the most attractive city. To start with, we are having problem. When I gave a proposal to my people, we are having a problem with money. Why can't you join us for development? Then they responded very well. Under land pooling, without any resistance, 33,000 acres of land, farmers contributed for this project. I think nowhere in India it has happened. Even same time, in Parliament, the main opposition party and other political parties opposed that bill, land acquisition bill, and also so many problems they created. All political leaders came to this place, they want to instigate, but ultimately, with the wisdom, people gave me nearly 30,000 acres of land. Now we have prepared beautiful plans, master plan details, everything by Singapore government. Now project is ready. It is going to take off. It is a blue and green city, one of the most beautiful city. What I am requesting all of you has to have one office. If your office is in some countries or somewhere, but it is a beautiful place to live also, have one office in Amaravati. That is where I am inviting all of you to come and join us for the development. And also sea coast, we are going in a big way, port development, and also airports. Even BOT, Bhogapuram, one of the best international airport, we are going to construct, and also road infrastructure, inland waterways. There are so many opportunities are available in Andhra Pradesh. Even smart cities, sports infrastructure, even if you see roads, so many ways, so many opportunities are available. I have given all the details for you. And at the same time, today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am available for you. Anybody wanted to meet, I am available and I will discuss. And ultimately, all of us combinedly, we have to do business. This is the best place for investment. I am assuring you, if we invest in Andhra Pradesh, you may not lose anything. 100% I am guaranteeing you will gain and also you will have excellent profits. In India, it is possible, especially from Andhra Pradesh, I am assuring you, you won't have any trouble at all. Very, very good labor, very, very disciplined atmosphere. There is no labor unrest, and at the same time, qualitative human resources we can provide. So, only we need entrepreneurial skills, only we need investment. We are having so many opportunities. I am confident you have to join us for developing this new state. With this, again and again, I am very happy. I never expected first of its meet. I thought only few people will come. And at the same time, I wanted to move forward. But today, it is my surprise. So many investors for a new place. It is not a capital. It is not a known city. Exactly 1 year back, we had a cyclone here. I stayed here for 8 days. I stayed in 8 days and also in a bus. I brought normalcy within 8 days, and then I left this place then only. Whenever there is a problem, we are providing proper leadership. And also not only investment, I am promoting all other areas also. Either irrigation infrastructure, agriculture, even social infrastructure, even tourism, even IT. One of the best IT platform we are bringing ePragati. All government transactions will be online within 1 year time, so that there will be totally transparent. Even anybody wanted to test that also, anybody wanted to have any clearances, wanted to set up some industry, only there is a single desk. You can apply. Only one officer is responsible. Within 21 days, you will get it done. If there is any problem, then you will overrule everything. You can give clearances. That is the responsibility we have given. Everything in a transparent manner, we are going to deal. With this, I am very happy to be with you. And also, our government is available 24/7. So, all of you have to think your investments. At least everybody, before leaving, you have to sign one MOU with us. That is what I am expecting. And also, if necessary, you can start backward afterwards, which industry you can set up. So with that, I really admire all of you for having this type of confidence for a new government. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your address. It's now